All right, so we're gonna work with wedges. One thing I'm starting to see is that a lot of you guys are hitting it a little fat, which means you're hitting it behind the ball. So with the wedge, what we wanna do is we wanna line it up kind of towards our back foot, where a driver's gonna be more off our front foot. And we wanna catch ball first. So back here is no good, middle of the ball is no good. We wanna ball first and then brush the ground through to get it up in the air. We're gonna use the bounce of the club. The bounce is a little sole right here, kind of kicks it up off the turf after you hit the ball. So a drill we can use to kind of catch ball first and get a little better with our wedges is we put a towel down about 3 inches behind the ball. Just put a towel down right here. And then we'll use this ball. And the goal is to not touch the towel on the way back or the way through. See if I can get a good one out there and give you a good demonstration. Kind of like that. We just want to make sure everything's a little cleaner. That's what this visual does for us. It gives us a little cleaner view of how we want to do it. John, why don't you step up and hit a few? There you go. All right, so we want to set it up off the back foot. Check that. Choke down in that club a little bit more. Good. Alright, notice how the towel hasn't moved?
Oh, it's in the hole.
Great shot. Alright, so we're going to go one more. I don't know why you wouldn't stop on that, but just to show the demonstration here. Hold on, let's move it back just a little bit. Test you since you just hit a good one. Since it's a short shot, we want the max control we can get. We're kind of going to keep our head down and just choke down and nice and easy just like that. We don't want to lift up, we don't want to do that. Feet together, weight a little forward, boom, boom. So a drill we can do to keep our weight forward is we're going to take a ball and we're going to wedge it right there in our foot. Kind of takes the weight off of our back foot a little bit. And it's going to be a little bit easier to keep that forward. And when we keep forward, it's a little easier to stay down. We can just kind of let it run out. Why don't you give that a try? So we're going to stay here, you're going to kind of wedge that ball into your back foot. It's going to train you to keep that weight forward. Hold on. So you want to move this up a little bit. Perfect. Keep that weight forward. Keep the head down. Nice. Almost hold it. Alright, so what this does here, this ball kind of keeps our weight forward, which makes it less of like a shallow bottom out swing and more of a steeper get under it and let it get over that. So the thing with this shot, all right, Brian, so what we're kind of going to do here is we're going to kind of dial in this pitch shot. One thing before you chip, how do you kind of line up your chips? Do you have anything you do specifically or pitches? So?
No, not really.
All right, no, not really. So what we're going to try and do is if we're going to aim at that hole, let's pick like a little intermediate target here. So we can kind of double check ourselves, not just with our eyes, but kind of with what's in front of the ball and on line. It's a little bit easier to line yourself up when you're kind of looking at an intermediate target rather than just trying to use your eyes as a guide. Nice, well done, right on line. Try another one. Alright, so a nice little easy drill is you don't even need anything. You can just pick a spot in the ground, you can put a tee there, a ball mark, whatever you have. So right now it could just be this little bare spot right there. So let's hit one more. Great. So good adjustments on the chipping and we'll kind of continue later. Alright, so this is called the gate drill. If you guys want to come around, this drill can be used for anyone at any time. It not only does it kind of give you a gate for you to go straight back and straight through, it kind of also gives you an idea of your tempo. So you set up 3 tees on each side, about 2.5–3 inches apart. it kind of gives you a gauge on tempo. So in the putting stroke, we don't want to jabby one way or the other. We kind of want a balanced, smooth, tempoed stroke. So by doing this, it kind of puts in your head that you kind of have the same distance there, so you're not going to go too far back or too far forward. You're going to keep it the same while it's also fixing the path of your putter. So why don't we go ahead and give this a few tries. Tell me if you feel like you're kind of straightening out that stroke. All right, kind of lift your head a little there. Let's keep it down. All right, well done. So this is good progress with this drill. It kind of evened out your stroke a little bit. Feel free to use this anywhere, anytime, any putting green, as long as you got a hole, it'll work.